Hi guys and dolls, divinedivak here, and I am here to share with you the small YouTuber tag. Small YouTubers tag, I got that right. I was watching Down South with Danny, and I saw her do that tag, and I've seen that tag running around for a while. I don't know who originated it, and so I thought to myself, you know what, I'm going to do this tag too. So if you'd like to hear what my answers are to the small YouTubers tag, stay tuned. I'm looking off to the side because I have my computer up, and she was kind enough to have the questions there. It's a really short tag. It's only 7 questions. So if you want to do the tag, please do it and then attach it down below. Okay. What inspired you to start your channel? What inspired me to start my YouTube channel was I was watching wig videos. I liked to wear wigs at one point. I wore a lot of wigs. And so I started watching wig videos, and I decided, I think I want to do this. I think I can do this. And so I was trying to find wigs that would work with me and in my lifestyle. And so I started my YouTube channel that way. And I have since moved away from wigs, but I have a lot of other hobbies and things that I enjoy doing. So I get the chance to share that with you. Question number 2. How long have you been on YouTube, and do you have other channels? So I had to go back on my video, on my channel to look. I joined YouTube July 27th, 2009. I wasn't making videos back then, but that's when I joined YouTube. Do I have any other channels? Absolutely not. I have a hard time just keeping up with this channel. So I do like to talk about fragrance. I love to talk about makeup. I'm getting more and more and better at makeup. You'll see some makeup videos starting to come up. I like to talk about wax melts, hair, lots of different things, and just basic commentary on things that are happening on YouTube. Getting over a cold, so I will be sniffling. So that's how long I've been on YouTube, and no, I don't have any other channels. Question number 3. Where do you see yourself on YouTube, yourself or your YouTube channel in the next 5 years? I see myself getting a little bit more professional in my editing, so that you will see an evolution in the next 5 years. That's a long time. So in the next 5 years, I will probably still be doing, I'm probably doing more makeup, still be doing hair because there's still hair on my head, and I have no intention of coloring my hair. So in the next 5 years, I'm assuming it's going to be a lot grayer than what you see today. I love wax melts, still love perfume. I see myself loving perfume 5 years from now, so I will still be talking about it. What message are you trying to get across on your channel? The message I'm trying to get across on my channel is to be comfortable in your skin, the skin you're in. I find that there are a lot of people who are mature, who are starting to move into the YouTube realm, and I want to speak to them because a lot of times when I look at my recommended on YouTube, it's a whole bunch of young people, and there's nothing wrong with young people, but I'm not young, my skin's not young, my hair's not young. So some of them I find entertaining for different reasons. They give me ideas as to things to try, but I would like to see more people like me on YouTube, where we have similar perspectives, we've gone through similar things in our lives, and I'd like to see more of us on there, because I'm not going away and clustering myself or closeting myself because I'm a woman of a certain age. So I would like to see more people of my age group on YouTube, because it's a lot of fun and we have a lot of things to share. Do people from your school or work find your channel? Nope, I don't think so. I try very hard to keep my work life and my YouTube life separate. I haven't had anybody come to me yet to say that they have seen me. I was watching Aging Gorgeously Lulu, and she was talking about Facebook. And one of the things that my Facebook page is my personal page. And so I know that there are people from time to time from work who find my Facebook page, but I never really talk about my YouTube channel on my Facebook page. So I wouldn't suspect that they would. I don't say anything while I'm working in any one job about what I'm doing on YouTube. So I wouldn't worry that they would see it because I don't talk about my job, so there wouldn't be any conflict of interest or issues. So I don't worry about it, but I have yet to have anybody that I work with find my channel and say something to me. What does your username mean? My username is divinedivak. My name is Kate. So there go the K. Divine, I believe that we're all divinely beautiful. So that's where divine is. And I am a diva in my own right. So Divine Diva K. Who are your favorite small YouTubers? That's a hard one. I have a lot of people that I watch. Down South with Danny is one of them, and she's a smaller, I'm going into my subscriptions. She's a smaller YouTuber, but I love her content. We're close in color or tone, so that a lot of the things that she likes, I can try because I feel that we're close. I like Marlo Keenan. I've started watching her. I like her a lot. I'm trying to find some of the people that I watch on a regular basis. Jungle Maps, I like her. We have, again, I found her because I was trying to find people who have the same coloring that I have. I haven't found anyone who is my foundation twin yet, but I do, there are people who are close. So when they find things, I kind of can tweak it, maybe a little bit lighter, maybe a little bit darker. Taylor Anise is another one, but I think she's blown up, so I wouldn't say she's a small YouTuber. Tiff Jeff 069, I like her. I wouldn't say she's a small YouTuber because she's got quite a few subscribers. I like Curly Candle Girl. She used to be, I can't remember what her name used to be, but I love her hair, and now she's getting into candles, and I love wax, so I think she'd be a good person if you like wax. I like Courtney KH, and I could just keep going, but I like Courtney KH. Lulu, aging gorgeously, but she's getting up there in numbers too. I mean, I would think that in my meager mind, I am under 1,000. So in my meager mind, if you're at 5,000, you're a bigger YouTuber. And if you're above that, you're, in my mind, a big YouTuber. I don't watch really big YouTubers because they tend to do all the same thing. So I like micro influencers because, number one, I'm not sent anything. So, I would rather watch somebody who's not sent PR per se. Because, not to say that once I start getting PR, I don't want people watching me, but it's not that I think that you wouldn't be honest in your delivery. It's just harder. I don't care what anybody says. It's harder when someone has given you something for you to say, I don't like it. So I tend to watch people who are smaller and who don't get a lot of PR. And even if they do get PR, I like when they do get PR, I'll still watch them if they tell me that they've gotten PR, and they're pretty adamant about getting the PR. This is a PR and this is not a PR. So I do watch for that when I'm watching videos. And I think that was the last one. Let me go back to the video just to make sure. But I think that was the last one. Yeah, those are my favorite small YouTubers. Oh, Blogless Behavior, Ladessa. She's been, she's really, really good. She talks a lot about her life, and I like that she opens that portion of her life up to us, to let us see. So, If you are a small YouTuber, please do this tag, put it below, and I will see you in my next video.